numbers 1, 2, 3, so on. Maths is nothing about numbers. So first let us read about numbers in detail. So what are these numbers called? 1, 2, 3, so on. These numbers are known as natural numbers, which are denoted by n. So natural numbers are numbers denoted by n, and numbers are from 1, 2, 3 and so on. This set of numbers are known as natural numbers. In this set, if we include one more number, that is the numbers are 1, 2, 3, so on. But if we include 0 in these, then these numbers are known as whole numbers. Okay, what are these numbers known as? Whole numbers. And these are numbers are denoted by W. In natural numbers, we get numbers from 1, 2, 3 and so on. When we include 0 in these, then we get whole numbers. That is, the numbers starting from 0 are known as whole numbers. Now, again, in these numbers, all these numbers are positive numbers. If we include negative numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 are already present. On this left side, if we include these negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, so on, then these numbers are called integers. What are they called? Integers. Okay, these integers are denoted by capital Z or capital I. Okay. Now we will know what are rational numbers. The numbers which are expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers, and these are represented by Q. These numbers are also called as quotient numbers. So now let us see few examples that is say 5. That is, it is a natural number. So natural numbers can be written as rational numbers. That is, 5 can be written as 5 by 1 or 10 by 2 or uh, etc. like this. Okay, so these numbers, natural numbers, can be written in P by Q form. Now we'll see about whole numbers. So in whole numbers, what we have? 0. So 0 can be written as 0 by 1 or 0 by 2 or anything else. So it is also expressed in P by Q form. So now we'll check for integers. That is, for example, -3. -3 can be written as -3 by 1 or -6 by 2, etc. So in all these examples, we can say that all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, all these can be written as P by Q form. Hence, all these set of numbers are also rational numbers. Okay. Now you all know what are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. And also you are familiar with the basic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we will see the properties. Okay. What are the properties? There are basic 6 properties, namely closure property, commutative property, associative property, existence of identity, existence of inverse and distributive property. So first we should know what are these all. Okay, so if I show these properties direct on rational numbers, it will not be clear to you all. So first we will start with integers. Okay, and then we will do for rational numbers. Okay students?
Okay, ma'am.
Now we are going to check these properties on integers. Okay, what are integers? Negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. So the first property is closure property. The basic operations are plus, minus, into and division. So first basic operation is addition. Now we are checking it for addition. What is the closure property? What does it state? It states that if there are two numbers, that is suppose A and B, we are checking on integers. So we will take A and B belongs to integers. Then since we are doing addition, we have to write addition in between these two numbers, A plus B. So whatever answer we will get, suppose we get answer as C. If this C belongs to integers, then we can say that integers are closed. Okay, under addition. Okay, under addition. Now we have to check which operation? Subtraction. So for subtraction, what we have to do? Same thing it applies. Only the thing is A and B will be, it will belong to integer only. Now we have to write what? In between A and B we will write what? Subtraction sign. That is, we have to subtract these two things. The answer which we get after subtracting, if that also belongs to integers, then what we say? We can say that integers are also closed under subtraction. Okay. Then the third thing is multiplication. So here what we get? If A comma B belongs to integers and A into B, whatever answer which we get after multiplying these two things, if it belongs to integers, then what we conclude? We can conclude that integers are closed under multiplication. Similarly for division also, we can check. Okay, same thing. A and B belongs to integers. Then if A divided by B belongs to integers, then we can say that integers are closed under division. We have to check all these using few examples. Okay, now we will check for addition first. Okay.
Lights, camera, action.
Here we will take examples. For first we will check on addition. Here we said if A comma B belongs to integers, then if A plus B also belongs to integers, then integers are closed under addition. So what we will do, we will take two integers. Any two integers you can take. Okay. If I take -1 and 3, that is a negative number and a positive integer, then what we will get, we will see here. A is -1 here. Then if we place a plus in between these two things, what do we get? We will see here. That is +3 -1. Plus into minus is minus. So we will subtract this. 3 minus 1 is 2. And the sign of a bigger number will come here. Okay, so what answer we got? We got +2. This +2 also belongs to what? Integer. This +2 also belongs to integer. So we can say that integers are closed under addition. Now we will check for subtraction. Same example I will take and put a subtraction mark over here. Okay, -1 -3. So what will be the answer? -3 -1. So minus into minus is plus. So we have to add these two things. 3 plus 1, 4. And we have to keep the sign of a bigger number. 3 is big. It has minus in front of it. So here we will get minus. So -1 minus 3 is equal to what? -4. This -4 is also belongs to integers. So integers, what we can say? Integers are closed under subtraction also. Now we will check for multiplication using the same example. -1 into 3. Okay, this is -1, this is 3. So first we will multiply the signs. Minus into plus, minus. 1 3s are 3. So -3 also belongs to integer. Hence we can say that integers are closed under multiplication also. Now what is -1 divided by 3? So it will be minus 1 by 3. But this is a rational number. It is not an integer. So it does not belong to integer. So we can say that integers are not closed under division. Okay. Is it clear? So now we can fill this table of closure property under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division for natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. You can do it using few examples as we have done for integers. So for natural numbers, addition property is satisfied, and then subtraction, it is not satisfied. Multiplication, it is satisfied. Division, it will not be satisfied. For whole numbers, similarly, addition is satisfied, subtraction will not be satisfied, multiplication is satisfied, division, it will not be satisfied. Now for integers, we have done it already, so you can fill the box. That is for addition, yes. Subtraction, yes. Multiplication, yes. For division, no. We'll do for rational numbers in the next coming video. Okay? Be connected with us. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Future Stars of Math.